Hey guys, what's going on? So now Category 3 major hurricane Joaquin headed for the East Coast. All right. At the current advisory, which I'm a little late getting on this, but this is as of 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Right now the winds are at 115 miles an hour. Okay. It's moving southwest at 6 miles an hour still. All right. And it's moving at a very slow speed, and the pressure's down to 951. Okay. Um, it's near the Bahamas. All right, there's hurricane watches and hurricane warnings out in the Bahamas. No hurricane watches yet, as of yet, for the East Coast, but I expect by tomorrow morning we will probably see the first hurricane watches out. Probably northern South Carolina, all of North Carolina, and probably parts of the Virginia coast. Because we're still not sure exactly where this thing's going. Models have kind of come into agreement, but we still have some outliers that may have some impact on the track. Okay, we don't know. There's a couple models taking this thing northeast out into the sea, which would be the best news scenario for everybody. We also have one that takes it, further west and southwest into South Carolina. Okay, but most of these are coming in mid coast North Carolina to northern coast North Carolina. So, the thing that concerns me most about this is going to be obviously the storm surge on some of these outlying island areas and stuff like that. So, especially if you get up into the Chesapeake Bay area, that's going to be bad. And our nation's capital is in that area. So, those are some of the things. Also, this area has been getting tons of rain. Moisture's already been flowing up into that area over the past few days. And usually you don't have a system have that much impact that far out. So the consistent rain is saturating the ground. So when this thing comes in, expect some major flooding issues with that. This thing could still intensify. Well, it's going to intensify. Conditions are perfect. There's not any shear. The warm waters. The only thing that's keeping it from exploding probably is the fact that it's moving so slowly and it's bringing up all that cool, water from the bottom. So that could be disrupting a little bit, and some eye wall cycling. But those things are normal. There's a few models that are making this thing into a pretty strong Cat 4. So with that much momentum, the stronger this thing gets, the harder it's going to be for it to break apart. As some drier air and a little bit of shear will increase as it moves to the north west, it's going to still probably be a pretty big Category 2 storm. All right. And the United States hasn't had a hurricane in quite some time strike land, so I would like to probably think that awareness has kind of gone down. That's just natural, it happens. So if you're along the East Coast, make sure you're watching a weather channel, make sure you're getting on weather.gov, make sure you're checking your forecast. If there are evacuations, take those, please. Make sure if you're going to stay that you have everything that you need. Go get it now. This storm is going to affect a lot of areas. It doesn't matter the exact tract. Areas to the north of this center, wherever it hits, there's still going to be storm surge, there's still going to be winds. And of course, anywhere near that eye, wherever it decides to make landfall, it's going to be very hazardous. So, I will put out more updates. If you're anywhere along the East Coast, subscribe to my channel. I will keep on putting videos out. I'm going to do some images on the tracks. I'm going to do some satellite images. I will keep you all informed. I'll be up early in the morning analyzing everything that I've looked at, and I will give you all another update. Right now I don't have any fine tuning or anything. I'm just basically doing a overall video on what's going on and all that. So stay tuned to my channel. I'll give you a lot of information that you need. I will also go into safety tips and ways to prepare for a hurricane if you're going to hunker down and stay home. So thank you for watching, guys. Be aware, guys, on the East Coast for Hurricane Joaquin. All right, subscribe to my channel.